So this is the next video in my little series, working my way through this crochet book written by Cecily Kime and Kim P. Worker. The next part of chapter 2 goes over how to make a chain stitch. So you start with your slip knot on your hook, okay? They show it starting back here, and I've got my long part of my string off to the side here, or string. I keep calling it string, and I will get better at this, but it's yarn, and I need to get better about using the proper terminology, which I will. So I've got my yarn, my slip knot, long piece going this way. There we go. It says to yarn over, and if you look at one of my first videos, I go over what that means, but that's simply just bringing the yarn over your hook like so. And so you've done your yarn over, then you're going to draw your yarn through the first loop on your hook, which is the slip knot. So I'm going through very slow because I know a lot of videos go fast on this part, and that's always hard for me. So I pulled through, I yarned over, and I pulled through my slip knot, which was the first knot on my hook. So now we've made one chain stitch. There's also one loop left on the hook, as you notice here, okay? And you want that. You want to have a loop on your hook. Now you'll do another yarn over, just like so. So you're bringing that yarn over your hook like that, and you're going to pull through your hook that is, pull through your yarn that is the loop that's hooked over your hook here, and then again you'll just continue repeating that step. This is a fun little, just, something to practice, to get better at before you move on to the next. Ooh, see, I've already made a mistake. But that's the nice thing about crochet, is that you can undo your mistakes if you see them. And it's, a lot of fun. Anyways, that is a chain stitch. You'll keep the chain hanging down from the hook. Don't let the stitches you made twist around the hook, or twist around on the hook. You want them to kind of all look, you want them to be uniform and moving in the same direction. The yarn will look better. Your whatever garment or project you make will lay better when you finish. So that is a chain stitch, and you can make as many as you want. I'm only making a few for the sake of time in this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos in the near future. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, you can reach out to me at masterbiatch@gmail.com or visit my website at masterbiatch.com. Thanks again. Take care, everybody. Good night.